All right, if we're going to take the antiderivative for this function, introducing ourselves to this new notation, we've got our integral symbol. We're applying it to this function, f of x as it's defined. We're doing so with respect to x. We attach that little dx on there, that little differential. We're going to state that that equals, going through term by term here using this, we call it power rule that we now know. For x cubed, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 to the power, make it x to the fourth. I'm going to take the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4, place that in front as the new coefficient. For the next term, I'm subtracting. Since it's 4x squared, I'm going to add 1 to that power, make it x cubed. Take the reciprocal of the new power 3 being 1/3 and multiply that to this 4 that's originally in front. Get 4/3 back. As far as this constant is concerned, right, we're kind of working backwards now and taking the antiderivative. We're going to have 17 here, and we're going to attach an x, because if you think about it, taking the derivative of 17x would get you back to that 17. So the question becomes, is that it? We got to add a constant, right? To cover ourselves, we got to add a constant. Now we're done. All right, taking the antiderivative of this function as it's defined, apply our integral symbol, got our differential dx in there, showing that we're taking the antiderivative of this function. Working through piece by piece, you've got the sine of x to start. Antiderivative of the sine of x. We know it goes with cosine of x, but remember to check this. If you took the derivative of cosine, would that take you back to sine? No. We'd have to put a negative on here to adjust. So negative cosine of x. All right, minus, we've got 2 square root of x. As we know, having done enough of these, square root of x is x to the 1/2. So we've got 2x to the 1/2 as the term. We're adding 1 to that power of 1/2. We add 1 to 1/2, we get 1 and 1/2, which is 3/2. We take that reciprocal, which is 2/3, multiply that to the 2 in front. 2/3 times 2, get 4/3. And are we done? Got to remember to add the constant. Now we're done.